Hey, welcome to another episode of Portuguese DIY Dad. Today I'm going to attempt to fix a problem with my dishwasher. So if this video makes it to YouTube, that means that I found the problem and I fixed it. So if you're watching this video, then that means it worked. Okay, so are you having problems with your dishwasher? Is it turning off in the middle of the cycle? Well, mine is. And after doing some research, I found out that it could be a couple of things. So I'm starting with the least expensive part and working my way out to the most expensive part. So okay. I have a General Electric dishwasher. All right, it's this one right here. It is the GDF510PSM4SS. All right, I already took the trays out, but it turns on, then it turns off. After a couple of minutes of doing some research, I saw that it could potentially be this. Could be the dishwasher pressure sensor. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the link to this part. It's right here, this little sensor. And any tools that you are going to need to make this happen. I have to disconnect the dishwasher, flip the switch, and you turn it off, so there's no power going to the dishwasher. We're gonna have to actually move the dishwasher out from where it's at because this part is located under the dishwasher. Okay, so it's gonna be located under the dishwasher, but we're gonna make it happen. All right, so let's do this. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the kick plate. I'm teaching my son how to fix things, so you're going to see his hands. So there you go. So there's a screw right here, and then there's a screw right there. I did remove the screws that hold it to the granite, and I made these, the legs, right? I made these smaller, okay, these adjustable legs, smaller, so that way I could pull it out slightly, and I did pull it out slightly, and now I have a book actually holding it up, but this is the sensor right here, okay, it's located right here. It looks like an easy thing to change, so you're supposed to flip this up like this and then pull it out. Oop, there's water. Okay, so don't make the same mistake I made, and make sure you put a bowl under this so all the water can go into it. Okay, took the sensor out. I dumped the rest of the water that didn't end up all over my floor, and there it is. This is the old sensor, so I'm going to use a pair of pliers, take that out and replace it with the new one, and then put this back in, and then put everything back into place and test it to make sure that fixed the problem. Okay? Here's the old sensor, and it looks pretty good on the outside, but if you look inside, I'll get a flashlight. If you look inside, it's all full of gunk and crap, and that's probably what's setting off the sensor to turn it off in the middle of the wash. Save it. Just new part is in. I'm gonna go ahead and push this dishwasher back into place. Put the screws back in, secure it to the granite, test it, and make sure that it works. Okay. Everything's put back except for the kick plate, and I turned it on, and I'm just watching it, making sure that there are no leaks. Guys, looks like it's fixed. It didn't stop in the middle of the wash, so I guess the next couple of days we'll know for sure. I hope you're able to fix your dishwasher. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. God bless.